So in this video, you'll learn how to install Snapchat on your Samsung Galaxy A56, A26 or A36. So the first step when it comes to installing this app is to simply open either the Galaxy Store or the Google Play Store. From here, you want to use the search function and you want to type in Snapchat and then search. You should see it listed here in the search results, so just tap on it like that, then select install and wait for the app to be downloaded onto your phone. Once Snapchat has been installed, you can tap on open to launch it, or you can navigate back to the home screen or the app store, look for the app icon from there and tap on it to launch. Then go through this process of signing in to your Snapchat account and you can start using the app on your phone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.